Bring yourself to a comfortable seated position or lying down on your back. And bring your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you breathe out, allow your physical body to soften slightly. Imagine any tightness or tension beginning to melt away. And then in your mind's eye, just picture a place where you know you feel calm. Transport yourself to those surroundings and observe what's going on around you. Notice what you can see, what you can hear, what you can smell. And imagine yourself completely surrounded by this sense of calm, of ease. Absorb this feeling. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out and try to come back to this visual. At any point throughout the day, you feel like you need a moment of calm. Bring yourself to a